Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best Toro lawnmower options available on the market today. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly picks or premium performance, we've got you covered. As always, you can find the product links in the description below. Let's get started with the countdown. Starting off at rank number 5, we've got the 594061 fuel tank cap from Schiller. Now, while this isn't a lawnmower itself, it's a replacement part that ensures your mower operates efficiently. This gas tank cap is designed for Toro, Craftsman, and Troy-built mowers with B&S engines, making it a versatile choice if your current cap is cracked or worn out. The bronze finish adds a touch of durability, and it even comes with an O-ring for a snug fit. In terms of design and build, this cap is sturdy and functional, but it's not flashy. It's ideal for those who need a quick, reliable replacement without breaking the bank. At just $8.49, it's the most affordable option on this list, making it perfect for budget-conscious buyers or anyone looking to maintain their mower without spending a fortune. The main downside is that it's a niche product. You'll need to ensure compatibility with your specific mower model. However, with a 4.3-star rating and positive feedback from users, this gas cap is a solid pick for keeping your mower running smoothly without any fuel leakage issues. If you're in need of a quick fix, this is it. At rank number 4, we have the Recoil Starter Assembly by Yanloa. This product is perfect for anyone needing a durable and easy-to-install pull-start replacement for their Toro lawnmower with Kohler XT series engines. It's made with premium materials and rigorously tested to ensure longevity, making it a great option for DIYers looking to save on repair costs. The design is straightforward but effective. It features a retractable spring pull cord, and installation is as simple as unscrewing 3 screws and swapping it in. While it's not an OEM part, it's engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards, and many users have actually found it to perform better than the original. At $15.99, it's a cost-effective solution for restoring your mower's functionality without a trip to the repair shop. On the downside, this product is limited to specific engines, so double-check compatibility before purchasing. It's not a complete mower, but it's an essential part for those with older Toro models suffering from starter issues. With a 12-month warranty and lifetime support, Yanloa ensures a hassle-free shopping experience. If your mower's pull start is giving you trouble, this is a fantastic replacement. Sliding into rank number 3 is the Lawnmaster LMR M1801 Pushreel lawnmower. This eco-friendly manual mower is ideal for small lawns and environmentally conscious homeowners. Its scissor-like cut ensures clean, precise grass trimming without ripping or tearing, promoting healthier lawn growth. With 9 adjustable cutting heights, ranging from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, you can easily customize your cut for the perfect finish. Design-wise, this mower is lightweight at 33 pounds and features an 18-inch deck paired with 10-inch front wheels for excellent maneuverability. Its durable steel blades are built to last, and the included collection bag makes cleanup a breeze. At $109.99, it offers a fantastic value for those who don't mind putting in a little physical effort to maintain their lawn. The main drawback is that it's not suitable for large lawns or dense, overgrown grass, as it lacks the power of motorized options. However, for small yards and routine maintenance, the Lawnmaster Pushreel mower is a great pick. With a 4.1-star rating and hundreds of satisfied users, this mower is a solid middle ground choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a greener, quieter mowing experience. At rank number 2, we have the Craftsman CMEMW 213 electric lawnmower. This corded mower is a reliable workhorse, powered by a 13-amp motor that can tackle tall grass with ease. Its 20-inch deck offers a good balance between maneuverability and cutting width, while the 3-in-1 capacity lets you choose between rear bagging, mulching, or side discharge for maximum versatility. The design is both functional and convenient. The winged blade improves cutting performance, and the easy fold handle allows for vertical storage, saving you space in your garage or shed. At 45.1 pounds, It's heavier than manual options, but still manageable for most users. With a 3-year limited warranty and a price tag of $239.20, this mower delivers excellent value for those seeking a corded electric solution. On the downside, its corded design limits mobility, and you'll need to manage the cable while mowing. However, if you have a small to medium-sized yard and prefer reliable, plug-and-play functionality, the Craftsman CMEMW 213 is a fantastic choice. It's a great step up from manual mowers, offering more power and convenience without jumping to premium pricing. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the 60V Max Recycler Lawnmower by Toro. This premium model is packed with features that make mowing a breeze. Its standout personal pace auto-drive system adjusts to your walking speed, eliminating the need for knobs or levers. Combined with a push-button start and dual LED headlights, this mower is designed for convenience and performance. The 22-inch steel deck cuts a wide path to save time, while the recycler cutting system creates ultra-fine clippings that act as natural lawn fertilizer. This battery-powered mower is compatible with Toro's 60V Max batteries, allowing you to choose your runtime based on your needs. At $466.65, it's the most expensive option on this list, but its advanced features and durability justify the investment for homeowners with larger yards or demanding mowing needs. The only downside is that the battery and charger are sold separately, adding to the overall cost. However, its top-notch build quality, automatic operation mode, and eco-friendly design make it the ultimate choice for anyone looking to upgrade their mowing experience. With a perfect 5.0 star rating, the Toro Recycler is a clear winner for this countdown. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the top 5 Toro lawnmower options. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product comparisons. Got questions? Leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Until next time, happy mowing.